Understanding Jazz SIMs in a new country. A Jazz SIM is your Pakistani mobile connection that can work internationally through roaming partnerships. While primarily designed for use in Pakistan, Jazz has agreements with foreign networks to keep you connected when traveling abroad. The key benefits of using a Jazz SIM overseas include instant connectivity upon arrival, avoiding the hassle of buying local SIMs, maintaining your Pakistani number for calls and SMS, and accessing affordable roaming packages. This solution is ideal for frequent travelers, business professionals, and anyone who needs to keep their Pakistani number active abroad. However, it requires proper setup before departure to avoid service disruptions or unexpected charges. Activating and using Jazz International Roaming before traveling, you must ensure international roaming is activated on your Jazz SIM. Simply dial *111# to check your roaming status or contact Jazz customer support at *123#. Without this crucial step, your SIM won't work in foreign countries. Jazz offers various roaming packages to suit different travel needs and budgets. To explore options, SMS Roam to 667 or check the Jazz World app for the most current deals. Selecting an appropriate package before departure can save you from exorbitant pay-as-you-go rates. Once abroad, you may need to manually configure your network settings. Navigate to your phone's mobile network settings, enable roaming, and manually select a partner network if automatic connection fails. This ensures reliable service throughout your trip. Managing costs and avoiding bill shock. The biggest mistake travelers make is using mobile data without an active roaming package. Even minimal data usage can result in shockingly high charges. Always disable mobile data when not using a roaming package and rely on Wi-Fi whenever possible. Be aware that some roaming packages may auto-renew, leading to continued charges. Set reminders to disable roaming services once you return to Pakistan to prevent unnecessary expenses. For essential navigation, download offline maps before your trip to reduce data dependency. Optimizing your Jazz SIM experience abroad. For cost-effective communication, use internet-based messaging and calling apps like WhatsApp when connected to Wi-Fi. These services bypass traditional roaming charges while keeping you connected with friends, family, and colleagues. Regularly check Jazz's official website or customer service for updates on roaming partnerships and package changes. Network agreements and pricing can change, so staying informed ensures you always have the most current information for your travels. Final recommendations for international travelers. To maximize your Jazz SIM's performance abroad, complete all necessary preparations before departure. This includes activating roaming, purchasing suitable packages, and configuring your device settings. Proper planning transforms your Jazz SIM into a reliable global communication tool. Remember that while convenient, international roaming has limitations. For extended stays or data-heavy usage, consider supplementing with a local SIM while keeping your Jazz SIM active for essential communications. This balanced approach offers both convenience and cost-effectiveness. By following these guidelines, you can maintain seamless connectivity during international travel while avoiding common pitfalls and excessive charges. Your Jazz SIM, when properly configured, serves as a valuable travel companion across borders.